Hello everyone. Today we will do question answers of chapter 4 scaffolding. Answer these questions with the reference to the context. Make sure that the planks won't slip at busy points. Secure all ladders. Tighten bolted joints. So, who has to make sure that planks don't slip at busy points? Answer: masons have to make sure that planks don't slip at busy points. What is being made? Answer: a building or a wall is being made. C. Why should the ladders be secured? Answer: the ladder should be secured to ensure the safety of the workers and to prevent accidents. Context 2. And yet all this comes down when the job's done, showing off walls of sure and solid stone. A. Why does the poet use the word yet in the first line? Answer: the poet used the word yet to contrast the careful construction of scaffolding with its eventual removal, emphasizing that its purpose is temporary. B. What does all this refers to? Answer: all this refers to the scaffolding, including planks, ladders, and bolted joints. C. What job is being mentioned here? C. The job being mentioned here is the construction of the wall. Number 3. Never fear, we may let the scaffolding fall confident that we have built our wall. A. Who is the speaker asking not to fear? Answer: the speaker is asking their dear one, a loved one or a partner, not to fear. B. What does the wall symbolizes? Answer: the wall symbolizes a strong and enduring relationship. C. Why is the speaker confident? Answer: the speaker is confident because their relationship is built on a solid wall or solid foundation. So temporary misunderstandings or difficulties will not weaken it. Now we will do question answers. Answer these questions. Number 1. What do mason test when they build a wall? Answer: masons test the scaffolding to ensure it is strong and stable. Number 2. How is the scaffolding tested? Answer: scaffolding is tested by checking that planks do not slip, securing ladders, and tightening bolt joints. Number 3. What happened to the scaffolding once the wall is built? Answer: once the wall is built, the scaffolding is removed. Number 4. What can be seen once the scaffolding is removed? Answer: once the scaffolding is removed, the strong and solid wall can be seen. Number 5. Why doesn't the speaker fear the breaking of bridges? Answer: the speaker doesn't fear the breaking of bridges. Temporary bridges are temporary misunderstandings because the foundation of their relationship is strong. Number 6. What does the speaker feel confident about? Answer: the speaker feels confident that their relationship is strong and secure. Even if temporary difficulties or misunderstandings arise, they believe that the foundation of their bond is solid, just like a well-built wall. Thank you. That's all for today. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep reading. Bye-bye.